Now, even as the border troubles continue, internally escalating the attack on the Prime Minister, the Shiv Sena has questioned Narendra Modi on his policy towards Pakistan in the wake of these repeated ceasefire violations. In its editorial Samna, Sena says Maharashtra politics can wait. Pakistan must be taught a lesson first. Kajal is with us for more on this. Now, Kajal, interesting tune that Uddhav Thackeray seems to be taking in and, the Shiv Sena seems to be taking, because Maharashtra politics certainly of prime importance to everyone right now with just days to go for the polls. However, he's saying that we must rise above all that. We must be looking at India's policy towards Pakistan first.
Well, the most important thing here to note is that people here in Maharashtra, there is a perception that the PMO has been shut for many days because the PM is more busy campaigning in Maharashtra and Haryana than attending to aspects of governance and in Delhi. That is something that the Samna has been maintaining for the last 2 days. This is the third day, in fact, in a row when they have targeted the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Today going so far as to make a jibe at the 56-inch chest comment, which was supposed to, be symbolic of Narendra Modi's bravery and his strength of character. So the Samna is saying that only cancelling secretary-level talks is not the solution for the kind of ceasefire violation that Pakistan is indulging in, and instead the PMO should formulate some policy to tackle this and probably treat Pakistan the way Israel treats Palestine. And that has been their stand for many years, that India should take border issues much more seriously than it is taking. So these are some of the things that are being talked about. And not just that, this is also an indirect attack on the Prime Minister directly, taking interest in the Maharashtra elections and him campaigning, him being the sole star campaigner of the BJP. And that is one of the reasons why all this criticism is now coming the Prime Minister's way.
Well, stay on with us, Kajal, as Kajal brings us up to date with the latest salvo that has been fired from the Samna, the Shiv Sena's mouthpiece. Now, even the Samajwadi Party is questioning the Prime Minister over the same, over the silence and inaction, as they say, over the recent increase in ceasefire violations by Pakistan. The Samajwadi Party going on to say that Mulayam Singh, had he been Prime Minister, he would have given a tough message to Pakistan.
तो हमने बहादुर समझा था, वो कमजोर निकले। जिनको हमने पूरी ताकत दी थी, वो ताकत का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान ऐसा छोटा देश हिंदुस्तान को जिस तरीके से धमकी दे रहा, जिस तरीके से गोलाबारी कर रहा, हम उसका सामने नहीं कर पा रहे। हम सिर्फ बातों का गीदड़ बने हुए, गीदड़ भपकी दे रहे हैं। देश की सरकार से ऐसी किसी को आशा नहीं थी और देश को बहुत निराशा हुई है। और मैं कहता हूँ, अगर यहीं पे मुलायम सिंह जी का नेतृत्व होता तो अब तक पाकिस्तान को मुंहतोड़ जवाब मिल चुका।